Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out, so please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. I just have two stocks in my watch list today. Ticker PIC and ticker LAZR. PIC is gapping on news and I do have support levels marked. So my first support level was around 1850 and it's already bouncing off that area. My next support level is around 1810 and my third support level is around 1771. So the stock pre-market has bounced off the $18.50 area a couple of times. So clearly that's a support that should be broken. If that support level break, I think I would get my ads at the next support levels. I also have LAZR on my watch. I do have support levels marked for LAZR II. It has broken my support levels pre-market, so it's not holding the trend. I do have a cash buying power of around $9,000, so maybe one or two trades and I should be done for the day. For those who are new here, I trade on a cash account and I'm trying to grow this account over $25,000. So that I'm not restricted by the pattern day trading rule. The market opens in another 15 minutes, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. The market opens in another 2 minutes and PIC is already touching my first support level. I'll be interested in somewhere around 1815, 1820 to make my first ad. It's clearly bouncing off the $18.50 area. I'm expecting that support level to break. The market is open. I'll be interested in getting in 150 shares around 1815, just placing an order. Yep, I'm having two orders. The first one around 1815 and the second one around 1778. Just broke the 1850 support area. I'll wait. I'm in. Perfect. I got my first ad. So I'm just cancelling the second order for now and I'll put my sell order around 1845. I just keep 50 shares for now. I don't want to sell the whole position. Huge buyers at 18 area. I'm out on 50 shares. I'm out on my 150 shares. I was seeing the stock hesitating to break the 1850 area, so I sold my full position. Here it goes. I should have waited a bit. I initially had just 50 shares to sell at 1845. I got tensed and I sold my entire position. But it is what it is. I sold PIC just to see it take off from where I sold, but that's hindsight. Today the stock took off, but tomorrow if I'm holding the stock, maybe it will go against me and I'll end up with a much bigger loser. So my strategy is to do scalping. And on PIC I got 30 cents. Maybe I'll look for a second trade. On the first trade on PIC, I made $45. $45 in 7 minutes. I'll take it and I'll move on. I'm looking for a second entry around 1860 area. We have 4 minutes for this 5-minute candle to close. So I would just hold on for now. I'm interested in LAZR. Volume came in. The second 5-minute candle since market open. The low was 28.94 and the high is 31.50. Probably my support has changed. So 29.90 area would be my support. And my second ad would be around 29.40. Planning for just 2 ads on that one. Yep, I'm keeping it on watch for now. I'm just putting an order out there on 50 shares, not a huge share size, 30.05. That would be my first ad. Then 50 shares at 29.55. I want this to fail. If it breaks 31.50, then my plan changes. Looks like it wants to break 31.50. It failed again. It's trying hard to break the 31.50 area. It broke. So just cancelling off. Looks like it wants to go even higher. So it looks like PIC is hitting my second support level. I'm not interested yet. So I'll be interested to get in around 1780. That would be my first ad again. Just placing an order around 1780. Probably I'll not get the order, but if the stock wants to pull back, I'll be interested in. So moving back to LAZR for now. The reason why I'm interested in LAZR more at this point is LAZR is due to make a first pullback. I'm not seeing a clear 5-minute red candle. I'll wait for that. LAZR, I would be interested in 50 shares at $30.25 area. That would be my new level. I do have one order on PIC around 1780. 30.25 is what I'm watching. Just putting 30.25 over there. 50 shares on LAZR. I do have two orders, one on PIC and one on LAZR. Looks like both of them doesn't want to give me an entry. PIC is bouncing, so I don't think I may get an entry on it. My entry was too aggressive. I did have my support level at 1810. I did not add in at that area because since the trend was broken, I was more confident with my next support level rather than the 1810 support level. So moving to LAZR, I'll cancel my order on PIC for now and I'll focus on LAZR. Around 3 minutes for this 5-minute candle to close, so probably things can turn around. If 30.50 area breaks, I think I'll get my ad. Looks like LAZR is pulling back. I do have an order around $30.25, an aggressive ad. So 30.50 would be an interesting point. Not adding yet. Yep, I got my ad at 30.25. Perfect. So my next ad would be around 29.75. Just giving it some more time. Selling. I'm out of the trade. I think that was a pretty decent trade on 50 shares. I got in at $30.25 and got out at $30.62. Patience pays well. It may go even higher from now, but I think I've got my fair share of profits from that stock. That was a quick trade, not a big share size, just 50 shares. And on the trade, I made close to around $19. That puts me up over $50 on the day. Almost $63 in profit so far. I've been trading for almost 30 minutes now, and I think I'd call it a day. Overall, a decent day of trading, putting me up $63 on the day. I'll take what the market gives and be completely happy with it. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.